Hello everyone, welcome. In this video you can watch how to make the best chicken thighs on fire. Ingredients: black pepper, rock salt, red chili powder, thyme, cumin, ginger powder, garlic powder, rosemary and mixed chicken seasoning, half a spoon of chili paste, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a spoonful of olive oil and sunflower oil, 2 spoons of yogurt, 1 onion, 3 garlic and 2 spoons of tomato juice. 8 chicken legs. Add the onions and garlic to the blender and blend until the juice comes out. Strain the onion garlic juice through a strainer. Add tomato juice. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add chili paste. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add oil. Add yogurt and mix. Add 15 grams of rock salt to the stone mortar and crush it into powder. Add salt to marinade. Add some spices and mix in a stone mortar. You can bring out the flavors of the spices a little by rubbing them together, it will give better flavor. Cut off the excess part and skin of the chickens. Create scratches by cutting chicken thighs with a knife. Add the chicken thighs to the sauce you prepared. Mix the sauce thoroughly with your hands. The chickens will stay marinated overnight, in the refrigerator. I'm going to use this specially made mechanism to cook chickens on fire. Chicken legs will be placed on these crescent-shaped spikes. In the feast prepared, there will not be only chicken, the vegetables that we will add to the bottom will be combined with chicken broth and will be a great side dish. Peel the carrots and cut off the ends. Cut off the ends of the onions and peel off a bit of the outer skin. You'll soon understand why you leave onions with a little skin on them. Peel the potatoes. You can cut carrots crosswise like this. Chop the potatoes a little coarsely. Pre-cooking will be done in a small oven first, because the vegetables will be at the bottom. It was understood that it was not fully cooked in previous trials. You can bake in the oven for 16 minutes at 185 degrees without adding any additives. It will be enough to cook the vegetables this long beforehand. I don't know if you can make a cooking utensil in this way. I hope it will give you an idea after seeing it here. Chicken thighs are placed on steel inserts. Peel the outer skin of the onions and add carrots, potatoes and garlic. Add green chilies. Prepare the fire pit in the garden before preparing the chicken, so now you are watching 1 hour ago. Chickens will be put inside the cylindrical lidded tin and they will have very good fried chicken thighs there. Add easy to burn materials. Three centimeters thick dry board is placed on the outside. Add the chickens and now it's time to fire. Chickens will be cooked for 1 hour in total, but you need to set the fire well. First, the skin of the chickens should be slightly browned on high heat and then you should reduce the fire a little more and wait for them to cook completely. By the way, you can use this wood embers. For example, you can cook coffee or cook corn. We can check the cooking status of the chickens because it has a tin lid. It is possible to cook for 50 to 70 minutes, the fire setting is very important. There should be no high heat for 1 hour, the chickens may burn and you do not want to eat a black chicken. Be careful that the chickens do not dry out, if you wait too long, this will be wrong. This consistency is exactly what we want. See you again in a new video, goodbye.